Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some St. Louis ribs on the Weberkettle. Oh hell yes! And we're using some Uncle Steve's brand new competition pig powder. Oh hell yeah! Ooh, I see one up in there. A melon cucumber. These are awesome. And first tomato of the year. Oh hell yeah. These St. Louis ribs, all I'm using is that pig powder. That's it. Spritzing with water only after the first hour. Second hour spritzed again, and I'm wrapping them in butcher paper for about an hour, hour and a half or so. We're cooking at 275. We're using royal oak charcoal briquettes. This kind, the all natural, with some apple chunks in there. And Craig, the slow hand over there at the woodshed, we got his naked basket in there and that heat deflector that I built. And I even put a pan in there and I added a little bit of water. Simple, easy, awesome. And actually, we dropped in temp. The smell up in here, delicious. Oh hell yeah. These ribs smell amazing. Let's get a bite. Oh, Uncle Steve's competition. Pig powder, that's it in water. Wow. Come on. That is amazing. Oh, she gonna fall off the bone? Yeah. Damn. That, folks, look at that. Perfect. Those are dynamite ribs. St. Louis cut. Man, 2 hours. $2.75 unwrapped with apple chunks in there. Wrapped them up with butcher paper for another 2.5 hours. Pulled them out for a half hour. These rock. You could dip them in your favorite barbecue sauce. This rocks. These are amazing. Go do that. Oh, man. That rub, that shake, that's amazing, folks. Oh, hell yeah. New stickers for the board. Oh, hell yeah. First one, yo, Rob. Just wanted to get you a sticker out to you. Say thank you and show my appreciation for showing a small up and coming channel some love. You always put out great content. Keep that ish up. Thanks for being a subscriber. Oh, hell yeah. Boom, grill and smoke. Barbecue. Next up, from down under, where you at? Where you at? Hi, Rob. Obviously, I love your work. Your channel inspires me, and the quality of your cooking is second to none. Most importantly, though, to me, is that you are a good man and a genuine person and a lover of blue tea. Oh, hell yeah, I am. Take it easy up there, mate. Patrick, thank you very much. Your sticker is up there, too.